The Ultrasonic Cleaner by King comes in a number of colors: black, silver, white, pink, and teal. We have an instruction guide, a pair of tweezers, a brush, and a screen. We have a power supply, the manual. We have on the unit 2 doors that open up on each side, the vent areas, 4 rubber feet, and the window, and opening up the container with the maximum fill line and the 2 gold pins to give information that the door is open and closed. As we're going to set up the machine, we plug in the power. We have a red, a fan, and 3 numeric buttons. Open the lid, add water, place in your dentures, jewelry, blades, and more. Sterilizing blades is simply placing in. Close the lid and feather touch the buttons. Count down to 300. Green and fan. If need, you could activate the fan to go higher. Close the doors, lock into place, and you see the ultraviolet lights on. With the 180 milliliter removable tin stainless steel, with the SUS 304 vibration ultrasonic cleaning. Looking in, seeing the ultraviolet light, and the unit vibrating. With the lights fully off for a clearer picture. We are near the cleaning process. Excellent in cleaning small items with a diameter of up to 3.5–4 inches in diameter. We are down to the last 10 seconds with the 2 green lights. We have a red light and a white fan light, and the process is finished. Opening up, the 2 doors open up. With the tweezers or the screen, we have a cleaning brush to clean further. Removal of the jewelry is simply grabbing and lifting out. Replacing the water is as simple as grabbing, lifting, and removing. Empty and refill for the next use with the black brush and a white brush for cleaning. This is a demonstration of the ultrasonic machine. Adding in the water as simple as sliding in with the slides front only into the notch area, located here with the pin connection. Place in, adjust, close for the next time, placing in the screen and the jewelry around, closing the door and pressing for green and the fan. Turning the fan on and off is a feather touch button. So if you're looking for a ultrasonic vibration cleaner, this unit may be something that you're looking for cleaning dentures, jewelry, tools, gems, and more. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. When lifting up the cover, the machine will stop, and lifting out the tray, the machine will stop. To continue forward, simply close. It continues where the counter is continuing to count down. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.